Hello friends, it's Rick and Lisa's Kitchen and Garden. We just made this grilled cheese with our air fryer and it tastes so good we thought we have to share it with you. Now here comes Rick, the food taster.
Yeah, this is English muffin with Havarti cheese and Chinese mahogany sauce that tastes like the combination is like onions and
between onions and garlic
and maybe it's chewy like a little bit of hamburger too with the oil from the mahogany sauce and cheese.
Yeah,
it's pretty good.
Yeah, and the English muffins after air fried, it's just so puffy and crispy. It tastes like Chinese puffy dumplings, like a baozi. It's just so delicious. Here's how to make it. English muffins cut in half, some cheese slices, and this is Chinese mahogany sauce I made. I'll show you how to make Chinese mahogany sauce in another episode when I harvest the leaves from my garden. And now Rick is going to make the to put the cheese into the muffins. And a little bit of Chinese mahogany sauce on the top. That's a lot.
Well,
you're having a feast of Chinese mahogany sauce.
This tastes like onions. Some people think it tastes a little bit like hamburger as well. So it's sort of like making with a twist.
Yeah, and then put it in the air fryer.
Grilled
I put the tin foil at the bottom of the air fryer and air fry it 2 minutes each side, 4 minutes in total at 370 degrees. Voila, it's done. Okay. Looks so nice. You want to try it, Rick?
Grilled cheese and an English muffin with a twist.